What's up mga basketball? Welcome back to our channel. My name is Owen Toriano, basketballer ng Bano at your service. Okay, as you will notice, naka-jersey po ako ngayon. Kita niyo po yung grease, right? Oh, number 34. So, siguro naman po, all of you or most of you know na si Giannis Antetokounmpo ay meron pong Greece nationality, right? Meron, Greece citizen po siya. So, ito po yung uniform. So, of course, kasama po siya sa team ng Greece nung FIBA. So, I got this as my souvenir in Athens. I got it 25 euros. So, hindi ko po alam kung original to o hindi. I don't care. So, basta gusto ko po yung uniform. Of course, Antetokounmpo yan, di ba? Number 34. So, that's why I decided to have this as my souvenir. Okay. So, ano pa? Of course, kumuha po tayo ng isa pang souvenir doon sa Greece or sa Athens. Alright, let's do it na basketball. Okay, ito po siya mga basketball. Pati yung kuwan niya, yung bag, dinala ko. Alright, isiningit ko po dun sa bagay ko. Alright, tight. Okay, kung mayroon pong Nike, meron pong Nike. I don't know how you pronounce it. Pero po, dito pong shop na to, nakabili kami ng sapatos na to. And I'm going to unbox tonight. Alright? Okay. You can Google it. Mayroon po silang website. Alright? So, www.tike.gr. I think it's for Greece. Right? Okay, let's do it, mga basketball. Okay, let's take this out from its bag. Oh, ito po yun, mga basketball. Okay, ito po yung box niya. Okay, let's open this, mga basketball. Alright. Familiar po kayo nito? Ito. Right? The Spizike. Right? Okay. So, this is a combination of a lot of retros, right? Several retros. So, ang resulta po, ito pong tinawag na the Spizike Low. Okay? So, siguro naman, if you're a Michael Jordan fan, kailangan nyo rin po si Spike Lee. Alright? So, isa po siyang film producer and siya po yung may malaking salamin na palaging kasama ni Michael Jordan doon sa dating advertisement ng Jordan. Right? Si Spike Lee. So I think this is a tribute to him. Right? Or for him. Ito pong sapatos nito. Alright, let's take this out. Ito po yun mga basketball. Look at this. So, nakita niyo naman po ang resulta ng combination of retros. Right? Ito po yun. So, mahilig talagang Nike brand or Jordan brand na gumawa ng hybrid. right? Combination of iconic element of the retros. Diba? So ito, for sure, alam nyo to, Jordan 3, right? Of course, ito, Jordan 4, right? Jordan 4. Then this one is Jordan 9, right? Yung may bilog. Diba? Okay. So of course, ito, Jordan 6. And this one is Jordan 6 too, right? Okay, ito Jordan 3. So, tingnan natin kung may nakalimutan tayo. So, mayroon nga po pala itong Jordan 5. Where? Oh my God, mga basketball. I'm sorry, cannot see it. The Jordan 5. Anyways, maganda po yung kinlabasan. So, and of course, yung colorway po niya. Grease na grease, di ba? Parang kakulay ng plug nila. So, kano ko yung ito, decision na ito ang kulay na souvenir. Right? Palagi po itong nasa backpack ko when we're traveling. Diba? So, napaganda po for me. Especially itong colorway na ito. May nakita po ako dito sa Canada. The same model but different colorway. I don't like it. So, buti na lang nakita ko po ito dun sa Athens. Alright? So, this is, I think, this is also a good shoe this summer. Ganda po siya, di ba? Yung color niya. Alright. So, siguro, most of you will agree with me. This is really a good colorway. Right? And let's see po, sana po yung comfort na binibigay ng Jordan 3 ay andito rin. Right? Kasi po, tingnan nyo po yung outer sole niya, midsole, and dito po is Jordan 3. So, I'm expecting na parehas po rin yung performance niya sa Jordan 3. Alright? Labas po natin yung kapareha. Okay. Tingnan po mga basketball. Okay. Paikot po natin. Okay. Ayan. You can disagree with me, but I really do love the colorway of the shoe. Right? So, mapansin nyo rin po. Okay. So, yan po si Spike Lee. Right? Okay? So, it's up to you na mga basketball if you will be liking this colorway. But for me, I love this colorway. Alright, and this is a good souvenir from Athens, Greece. Again, thank you very much for watching mga basketball. And see you whenever.